the charm. Let's give it up for Aurora Philippines! Boys, that was an amazing match. How does it feel right now to exact revenge on TL after losing to them in the grand finals and then in the Swiss stages as well?
Masaya kasi ngayon na lang ulit din kami nanalo sa Teal Page sa past mga matches namin.
We're happy because it's been a long time since we've won against TLPH.
When was the last time you guys won against TLPH? Do you guys remember?
Since upper bracket MPL page finals.
Okay, upper brackets. And ever since then, unfortunately, you've never been able to secure that win.
Yeah.
What makes it different this time for you guys? How were you able to secure this win?
Siguro pinagandaan talaga namin yung itong knockout stage, and kung sino talaga makatapat namin talagang bibigyan namin sila ng magandang match.
I think it's because we really prepared against them and we wanted to give them a very good match.
It was a very good match. It was very close from game 1, and then we saw game 2, and then we saw game 3, which was amazing as well. Just one moment turned everything around. Yue, we have to ask, what was the biggest lesson that you learned from the previous matches that you applied today, specifically?
Siguro yung mga small mistakes na nagawa namin ng last match, yun yung tinama namin sa naging match namin ngayon.
Maybe we adjusted all our small errors or mistakes and we improved them or corrected them during the match.
Small errors and mistakes. Can we get a little bit more insight into that? Is it a calm thing, a decision-making thing, maybe drafting?
Sa decision making tsaka sa comms din.
Is the decision making?
I don't know why I waited for that translation also. That's pretty straightforward. Yue, Domenkite, do you have something to add on that? About maybe something that you learned from previous matches that you could apply to this match to ultimately get this win?
Syempre nung pagkatalo namin ng Telpage, parang dinanalit ako maglaro pa and mag-pursige siguro kasi words gusto ko ma-redeem yung sarili ko pa. And yun, pinagandaan ko talaga yung sino makalaban namin.
Because of the losses against TLPH, it lit a fire in me and it made him prepare more for this match.
Lit a fire and made him more prepared. Because after this best of 3s, you guys are going to now be facing against a best of 5s. Are you guys prepared for a best of 5?
Syempre prepare kasi yun nga, best of 5 long series siya and mapaghandaan talaga namin.
Yes, we are prepared, but we will still do a lot of preparation because it's a long series.
Okay, it's a longer series, we know that. But what we don't know is who you will be facing up against next. It's either one of the Indo representatives, either Onyx or Alter Ego. If you both had to guess who the next opponent will be, who will you be facing next?
Based on the previous matches, I think Alter Ego.
Ooh, okay. Yue thinks it's gonna be Alter Ego. What about Domenkite?
I think Onyx.
Onyx. Okay, so a split opinion here. Why do you think it's going to be Onyx, Domeng?
Siguro nakakuha sila ng momentum ng pagkapanalo na, and feel ko mas nakakainga sila ngayon sa BO3 match or BO5.
Oo. Do I pretend that I understand? Oo. That's all I know. Oo.
Yun nga, siguro mas prepare yung Onyx sa BO2 and BO3 match.
I think that Onyx will be more prepared for BO3 or BO5 matches.
Okay, interesting. Good insight because I think the players themselves recognize that. So, final message to perhaps TL that, I know that you guys are still friends outside of the game. Do you guys have a message perhaps to Team Liquid who lost today?
Nice game sa Team Liquid, and yun, alam ko makabawi ka sa lower bracket, yung kita-kits sa finals.
Nice game for Team Liquid and let's see each other in the grand finals.
Okay, what about you, Yue? Now your message is to Alter Ego or Onyx?
Good luck sa inyo parehas.
Good luck to the both of you.
Okay. Once again, thank you, Doming. Thank you, Yue. Thank you so much for the translation as well. as we give it up once again for Aurora Philippines. We're gonna throw it over back to the casters.